Hundreds on my bed, sexing with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks on racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here. Hundreds on my bed, sexing with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing.
Hey you guys, so a lot of you asked me how do I lay my wigs and how do I get them so straight. So I thought I would just pop in with this video just to show you a little snippet of what I do to my hair. So first I add this heat protector. You guys, this heat protector oil is so good. I cannot live without it. I'm surprised that I never invested in it before, but it's absolutely amazing. Like, it detangles hair and everything. So I would suggest you guys get on that. So this is the hair that I received from Ali Julia Hair. This is a 360 frontal and I have bundles. I will leave the original video down below in the description box so you guys can check that out if you want to know all of the details about this wig. So I'm taking my Duval flat iron, and as you can see, one pass got this hair really straight. This is, I believe, a Brazilian body wave texture, so it didn't take much to straighten out this hair, and it didn't take long at all.
Sexing with the bill, roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks on racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here. Hundreds on my bed, sexing with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks on racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here. Yeah, I'm licking at my lollipop, and my mama starting to ask me where my money from. And my papa, he gon' call me when that popo come. See me run up on that hill like I'm at Comic-Con. Ooh, when I'm sober, I don't wanna front. Ooh, caught that polo right from mama song. Catching feelings like them buddies you read it on. Straight up off the plane, yeah, I'm running from Babylon. What you planning on? Yeah, hundreds on my bed, sexing with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks on racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here. Hundreds on my bed, sexing with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks on racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here.
So this is what one side looks like straightened, and as you can see, it is beautiful. This hair is so pretty, and that heat protector oil is just really good. It really helps straighten out the hair, and it helps the process a lot faster. So this Ali Julia here, you guys, this is one of my favorite companies by far. Everything that I received from Ali Julia, you know, within the past year has been amazing. I've never been disappointed. I did receive some shedding. I don't know where that's coming from, but I did receive some shedding, but not a lot. It's not crazy, and it did stop. So let me know which side you guys like the most. Do you like the natural body wave side, or do you like the straight side? Let me know down below in the comments, and let's talk about it. So I wasn't planning on adhering this wig to my head, but once I saw how pretty it looked straight, I just went ahead and used my freeze spray. I didn't use any gel or any, you know, any other type of glue or anything like that. I just used my freeze spray, and I still have it on right now as I'm editing this video. This thing holds for about, I believe, a good week you get out of this process. So yeah, like I said, I didn't plan on doing this, but I had to. I really wanted to rock this wig after I saw how straight and pretty it got. So yeah, that's how I lay my wigs, you guys. Most of the time, this is a really quick and easy way to do it. You just spray it on, use your blow dryer, flatten it down with a comb, and yeah, good to go. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to hit thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and I will talk to you all later. Bye. Thanks for watching.
All my homies, they done told me I'm a stoner. That's some jelly-ish, but I don't look like Homer. You just lead us up to me, I can show you my world, we can go through it all. You just just leave it up to me. Take a trip to the stars, I can show you it all. You just leave it up to me. I can show you the world, we can go through it all. You just leave this up to me. Take a trip to the stars, I can show you it all. You